Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to bleach your knots on your closures. First thing you need to do is make sure you have something that you can sit and get the bleach on that won't mess up the table. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my baby hairs out of the way. I'm going to spray it with lightly with a bottle of water, and you can just use your brush that you're going to apply the bleach with later to get the baby hairs out of the way. And for extra protection, you can clip it as well to make sure that none of the hairs get in the way. So I'm just gonna flip this over, and you don't have to bleach all the way up here. You just want to bleach where the knots stop at. I'm gonna zoom in for you real quick so you can see. You want to just bleach right where your knots begin, so you don't have to bleach all the way up here. So flip it over. After you flip it over, you're gonna need some BW2 bleach, and then you're also gonna need some developer. And I'm gonna show you guys a trick real quick because I actually do not have exactly enough developer. I have enough, but I don't have enough. And I'm gonna show you guys a trick in case you just have not enough. You're gonna need a bowl. You can just use any bowl and your brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start mixing this up. I'm gonna take 3 scoops of the bleach. And you might want to wear gloves while you're doing this, guys. I'm just so used to not really wearing gloves, so I'm not gonna wear gloves. So after that, I'm going to use the little bit of develop that I do have left. And you also don't want this to be too watery because you don't want it to seep through and get the bleach on the hair. You want to just bleach your knots, not the whole entire closure. So I'm going to pour what I have left of the developer. And I'm going to mix it a little bit. And as you can see, I need a little bit more. Since I don't have enough developer, I'm actually going to take just a little bit of water and mix the water in. And what this does, guys, this does not stop the developer from working. It doesn't stop its job. It just kind of slows down the bleaching process, which is okay. And I'm using a 20 developer. So I did add a little bit of water just because I didn't have enough developer. Like I said, it does not slow the process down of what the developer is supposed to do. So I think that's like a good texture that I got going on. And guys, make sure you have a fan running while you're doing this because this BW2 could be kind of strong, especially when the developer gets into it. It can be strong. I'm going to start applying this in. Like I said, you don't have to get all the way up here. You just want to get enough to where you're bleaching all your knots, and you want to make sure you get here and all the way around and try not to get it on the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying this lightly. You don't have to rush, just do it lightly. I am done, and I used just about all of that. And if you're worried about me putting the water in there, trust me, it still works. What you're gonna do is you're gonna let this sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on the developer that you get, and I got the 20. So, and also if this is your first time ever doing that, I recommend you use a 20 because it's slower than using a 30 or 40. A 30 or 40 developer, it would literally bleach this in like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take another piece of aluminum foil and wrap it over and let it sit for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna start my timer on my phone at 20 minutes. And I'll see you guys when it's all done. It has been 18 minutes. I decided to take it off 2 minutes early. I'm gonna take this to the bathroom and rinse it out in the sink. And let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna take some Aussie shampoo. We can take basically any shampoo. So I'm gonna take my Kalahari melon oil. It's a color protector. So now guys, I'm just gonna take my Kalahari oil and just put this on there. Just give it a good deep conditioning. I'm going to let this dry, and as you can see guys, it took very well. The knots are bleached. I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's dry. So guys, this is what it looks like after it is dried. As you can see, it looks very well. I did go ahead and sew it down on a cap. Hope you guys like my little trick with the water. And also, if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And let me know if you have any video ideas that you would like to see on my channel. Until next time guys, I'll see you guys later.